watching this video, chances are you're not a chemist. And that's okay, because understanding how the Kangen machine works just comes down to simple science. There are two, and only two, ingredients that go into the Kangen machine multi-purpose cleaner disinfectant and deodorizer: salt and water. No dyes, fragrances, or additives that can cause irritation, allergies, or trigger asthma. Nope, not on our watch. Now back to the science bit. Again, each salt and water molecule is made up of different elements. You might remember this from middle school. Salt is made of sodium and chloride, and water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. You know, H2O. Now here comes the fun part. When you push the Kangen machine 2.5 button, it sends an electrical current through the solution that breaks apart the molecules and scrambles up the elements to form two new power molecules: newly formed sodium hydroxide, which cleans up sticky messes, soap scum, and grime on virtually any surface, and newly formed hypochlorous acid, which deodorizes and disinfects 99.9% of germs, including staph, MRSA, salmonella, norovirus, and listeria. The best part? It's gentle to use. No hazmat suits, goggles, gloves, or face masks needed. You don't want to scare anyone, do you? So there you have it, the secret behind the power of the Kangen machine. Two ingredients you can actually pronounce in our patented appliance that jolts them into action. The Kangen machine is combining simple science and gentle ingredients for a 99.9% germ-free clean.
Thanks for watching. My name is KREEL Hutchinson. If you like this content, subscribe to the channel. Head over to my website, livinghydration.ca, and grab your free PDF, The Ultimate Drinking Water Review. Cheers!